Welcome back. Welcome to our special Road to Lok Sabha 2024. It is a Maha muddle for the Mahayuti amid what seems to be discontentment and flexing of muscles amid what seemed best of allies at least till just a few months ago. Now it has reached Amit Shah, who will be meeting Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and the two Deputy Chief Ministers Fadnavis as well as Ajit Pawar in a short while from now. Ramdas Kadam, Shinde Sena's leader, in fact asked Amit Shah and Prime Minister Modi to pull up its BJP leaders in Maharashtra. The reactions from the leaders themselves show that all is far from being well. For now, it's up to Amit Shah, often referred to as BJP's Chanakya, to be able to find a solution or whether he will be. But let's just listen into reactions that have come in from different leaders that will show you what the real status is amid the BJP NDA alliance in Maharashtra.
2009 मध्ये युती असताना देखील मला गुहागरमध्ये भाजपानेच पाडलं, हे वास्तव आहे. आणि आता देखील युती असताना कळतं आम्ही इतका मोठा निर्णय घेतला, विश्वासानं भाजपसोबत आलो आणि म्हणूनच मंत्रिमंडळ झालं. आता माझ्या मुलाच्या मतदारसंघामध्ये पुन्हा बांधकाम मंत्री चव्हाण आणि त्यांचे भाजपचे कार्यकर्ते इथं बजेटची कामं आणून भूमिपूजन आणि उद्घाटन स्थानिक आमदारांना बाजूला ठेवून करतायत. हे तर पुरस्कार त्रास देत आहेत. हे असं असेल तर भविष्यामध्ये भाजपवरती कोणी विश्वास ठेवणार नाही. याची दखल वरिष्ठ पातळीवरून भाजपच्या मंडळींनी घेतली पाहिजे असं माझं प्रामाणिक मत आहे. आम्ही मोदींकडे बघून आलोय, आम्ही शहाजीकडे बघून आलोय. मागच्या निवडणुकीमध्ये काय झालं मला माहित नाही, पण पुन्हा जर आमचा विश्वासघात झाला तर माझंही नाव रामदास कदम आहे, मी आज सांगतोय.
असं आहे की मी इतके वर्ष रामदासबाईंना ओळखतो. अशा प्रकारचे स्टेटमेंट करण्याची त्यांची सवय आहे आणि टोकाचं बोलण्याची देखील त्यांची सवय आहे. कधी कधी रागाने देखील ते बोलतात. भारतीय जनता पक्षाने शिवसेनेचा सन्मानच केला आहे. त्यांनी हे लक्षात घेतलं पाहिजे. आम्ही 115 आहोत, तरी देखील आमच्यासोबत आलेल्या शिंदे साहेबांना आम्ही मुख्यमंत्री केलं. कारण खरी शिवसेना आमच्यासोबत आली याचं आम्हाला समाधान आहे आणि आम्ही भक्कमपणे शिंदे साहेबांच्या पाठीशी उभे आहोत. मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून आमचं पूर्ण समर्थन शिंदे साहेबांना आहे आणि आमच्यासोबतची शिवसेना असेल किंवा राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस असेल किंवा आमच्यासोबतचे इतर मित्रपक्ष असतील, यांना सोबत घेऊनच आम्ही निवडणुकीला पुढे चाललो आहोत. त्यांचा पूर्ण सन्मान आम्ही ठेवणार आहोत. आता हे ठीक आहे की अनेक वेळा अनेक लोक थोडं आमचं लक्ष वेधून घेण्याकरता किंवा आपलं महत्त्व पटवून देण्याकरता वेगवेगळ्या टोकाच्या भूमिका बोलतात. आमच्यासारख्या मोठ्या लोकांनी आणि मॅच्युअर्ड लोकांनी त्या गंभीरतेने घेऊ नये.
आप कितनी मांग कर रहे हैं और कितनी अपेक्षा रखते हैं? एक हो गई मांग और आप अपेक्षित कितनी सीटें रख रहे हैं?
नहीं, अब मांग तो हमने 22 सीटों की है, लेकिन हमें लगता है कि 18 से 20 के बीच में हमारे को सीटें मिलेगी, क्योंकि वो जरूरी 13 सांसद हमारे हैं जो स्टैंडिंग है और 22 लड़े थे तो उसमें से दो तीन 4 कम हो गए, तो 18 के करीबन सीटें मिलना चाहिए, ऐसी हमारी मांग है.
तब देखा जाए जिस तरीके से कल्याण की अगर बात करें, थाना की, रत्नागिरी, सिंधुदुर्ग और वहीं अमरावती, और खास करके रामदास कदम का जो स्टेटमेंट आया है और आनंद राव अडसुल जी का भी स्टेटमेंट आया है, इसको लेकर के कहीं वाद विवाद होता हुआ दिख रहा है. क्योंकि कल जिस तरीके से फडणवीस साहब ने कहा कि हमारे पास 115 है, उसके बावजूद हमने सम्मान के रूप पर एकनाथ शिंदे जी को चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाया, तो ये बयानबाजी को कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, बयानबाजी नहीं. देखो, रामदास कदम रहो या अडसुल साहब रहो, ये बड़े नेता है. अब ये नेताओं ने अपना विचार वहां रखा है. देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब ने भी कहा 105 लोग हमारे हैं, तो भी हमने सम्मान रखा है. ये सब अंडरस्टैंडिंग की बात होती है. किसने क्या किया, किसकी वजह से ये हो रहा है, ये दोनों पार्टी जानती है. इसलिए हमें अनबन नहीं है, लेकिन हमारी भूमिका स्पष्ट है कि अपन एक परिवार बन के चले.
But just moments before what seems to be a meeting with Amit Shah, Union Minister Narayan Rane has hit back at Ramdas Kadam. Those sitting on branches must not threaten. If you flap your wings more, the branch will break. This remark comes just hours after Ramdas Kadam's backstabbing charge. Wonder if this is what the tone would be as the meeting with Amit Shah is set to begin in moments from now. I'm being joined by my colleague Abhishek right now. Abhishek, what does the real picture look on the ground? I mean, there are those who are threatening if this is not solved, if seat share is not increased for the Shinde faction, for Ajit Pawar's faction, then, there would be leaders who would be leaving. BJP is saying that is not possible. Now, what's the real picture? What's the real threat? Is there any threat whatsoever to what seemed at least an invincible NDA alliance just few months ago as Ajit Pawar joined them?
Definitely. We will have to understand one point here, as per the sources what we are coming to know, definitely one of the agenda of the BJP is Ab Ki Baar 400 Paar. And it's a simple formula that the winning candidate from a particular constituency will be given the ticket. But at the same time, to understand the permutation and combination of the alliance, where we can see, especially in Maharashtra, where Mahayuti, in which BJP is pushing to around 32 to 36 seats, and telling the allies like Shiv Sena of Shinde camp and NCP of Ajit Pawar camp to at least be considerate at this time, because our aim is to cross 400 plus, and you will be considered at the time of assembly election. More seat will be given to you at that time. But at the same time, there is fear in the Shinde camp as well as in Ajit Pawar faction that those sitting MLAs at least should get the ticket, or the strong leaders from the respective constituencies should get the ticket. Otherwise, they might jump the ship. Is something that they are very much fearing, and that's the reason we can see, apart from the 2 consecutive meetings that were held in Mumbai with Amit Shah, today again Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and CM himself is in Delhi and will be having a final talk with Amit Shah. And what we expect, as Sanjay Sirsat of the Shinde camp was clearly pointing out, that there can be amicable solution that can be achieved, and what they're expecting is around 18, at least he said that we have 13 MPs, sitting MPs, so 10 to 13 is something they are also expecting should be given, and around 4 to 6 seats for Ajit Pawar is something that is expected, is what will be considered, and we will have to wait and watch out for that announcement. But definitely BJP is hardly pushing for 32 to 36 seats, but if the BJP gets that, and there can be rebellion is what is being expected from the Shinde camp and Ajit Pawar camp, is something they are fearing of. That will cause a big damage to them as a regional parties. But at the same time, BJP will get their support in those respective constituencies. Also, what is being told by the sources is that they are also asking that your candidate and our symbol, the candidate of Shinde camp and Ajit Pawar faction will be given the candidature,
right,
but they will have to fight on the symbol of BJP. Will that be acceptable or not is something that we will have to closely monitor. But again, it's unpredictable politics of Maharashtra, and we will have to closely monitor all developments.
Absolutely,
and will
Abhishek
Mahayuti seal the deal today is something that we will have to wait and watch out for.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Abhishek, for joining us with those details. I'm being joined by Asif Bamla, spokesperson for BJP, Krishna Hegde, spokesperson for Shiv Sena, and Dr. Raju Wagmare, spokesperson for Congress. Thank you very much, all three of you, for joining us. Asif Bamla, to you first. So, Union Minister, just moments before the crucial meeting with Amit Shah, says those sitting on branches must not threaten, otherwise the branches will snap. Is that what sets the tone for the meeting with Amit Shah?
Well, meeting with the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji was set much before this only, because we've completed 2 penultimate rounds of discussion with both leaders and parties separately. You're aware when Mr. Shah was here at the Sahyadri, and of course things have crystallized to take this to Delhi further, obviously with the parliamentary board meeting and all of that. So that's how it pans out, because again, as you know, Bharatiya Janata Party is the world's largest party, so everybody has their ambitions and arrangements to ensure that we get more seats. Having said that, this tug of war is obvious and common whenever there are alliances, and that's not unnatural. I would say this is indeed very practical to vent out your feelings, but that doesn't happen once everything is sealed. Once you seal the deal and when the seats are allocated, then everyone works towards the victory of the party. Now see in the Mahavikas Aghadi
Asif
only,
Bamla,
you
I'm
see
going to
what the
come back to
stretching that's
you.
going on between
Hold this thought
between
right
Ambedkar.
there,
No,
because
give
this
me 10
is
seconds, give me 10
just
seconds.
not
Give
what
me
you
10
accept
seconds,
when
give
we
me 10
talk
seconds.
about... Okay.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. All right. I have to go to the others for the introductory remarks.
So you see that there's a tug of war even in them, between the Sena, between the Congress, between Prakash Ambedkar. You saw the statement that they've given. At least we are not giving that statement, because we know we've always respected Eknath Shinde ji, because he and we've given him the chief ministership. We've like Devendra Fadnavis ji said, we had more than 115 seats, and Mr. Fadnavis ji, being a former chief minister, has of course, respected the sentiment of Eknath ji's triumph, and
All
he
right.
has given
Let me
to
just
them
go over to
because
my
he
other
felt
panelists,
that
Bamla sir.
he
I'll
is
come
going to
back
take
to you.
Balasaheb Thackeray's
On
vision
this
further.
only, I have a second question for you, but allow me to go to the other panelists, please. Krishna Hegde ji, how do you respond to what Bamla ji has said? What is the problem? Why? I mean, he's saying all is well. BJP is a big party. Everybody has aspirations. They respect Eknath Shinde ji. Fadnavis had the numbers, had the seats, but they allowed Eknath Shinde ji to become the chief minister. Why are you all... What is the problem then?
No, there is absolutely no problem, and the NDA will work together as one force. We will win the election. We will win 45 out of the 48 seats. Narayan Raneji and Ramdas Kadam, both senior leaders of the respective parties,
Which
and
are the 4
obviously
seats
they
that
have
are
their
going to be
things to say.
lost?
But
Which 4 seats? Who's
what I
going to lose
want
the
to
4
say
seats,
here
sir?
is, no. Can I complete what I want to say? I just want to say this, that wherever there is a
Please go
region
ahead.
and there is a candidate, we have to look at the winnability of the candidate. And therefore, there are going to be prolonged discussions. Like my friend Asif Bamla said, we already had 2 discussions in the past. Today also, the Honorable Home Minister, the Honorable Chief Minister, 2 Deputy Chief Ministers are meeting in Delhi. And by night, I think most of the list will be finalized. And by tomorrow, you will have the clear picture. Some places, there have been new faces which are coming in. And the new faces, we have to just decide whether they are going to fight on the BJP symbol or whether they are going to fight on the Shiv Sena symbol and respect to our party. However, we are going to bring
Allow
forward
me,
the
sir,
best
to just
candidates
make
and
some
the best faces.
statements.
No, see, it is
Allow
not
me to
about
just put
making
forth
any
some statements
statement.
that have come forward. Let me just, for the viewers' benefits, for the benefits
No,
of the viewers, let me just say some
every
statements. Don't cut our throats by cheating us. We shouldn't be betrayed again and again. I am saying this. My name is Ramdas Kadam. Modi Shah should pull up Maharashtra's BJP leaders. And this is not the only statements that have come. There are other statements that have come. There are people who are saying our people will leave and go to the other parties if we are not given more seats. All is not well. You may put up a brave face in the media, but all is not
no
well
one,
within, sir.
no one is leaving the party. Firstly, and Ramdas Bhai said it day before yesterday, and I think since yesterday he has been already honorably adjusted, and his son also has got the chairmanship of the Maharashtra Pollution Board. I wish him all the luck. And I think that we want to bring about the best candidates, the winnable candidates, and people who will work for the progress of Maharashtra. The main objective is to see that Narendra Modi
That's
ji is
interesting.
back as the Prime Minister in 2024 in this general elections. And that is the main objective of all the 3 parties, irrespective.
Okay.
And
All right.
little bit of
Heard
give
you.
and
Let
take
me
will
just
happen.
go
We are
over
3 brothers.
to...
We are 3 brothers here, and if there is one roti, we will share the roti.
अच्छा ठीक है All right. Miss Dr. Raju Wagmare, there are 3 brothers. If there is one roti, we will share it.
See what happened. There is a problem.
Lovely dialogue. You must
Everybody
agree to that,
understand.
though.
See, everybody understand there is a problem, but my friend Mr. Krishna Hegde doesn't want to answer that. You ask question, which question you ask and what answer Mr. Krishna Hegde gave. I understand his position. They cannot talk against the BJP. That is number one. Number two, the BJP always warned before this election also that Shat Pratishat Bhajap. And that was the reason they went against the Shiv Sena to finish it. So now, how they will give a try to emerge another Shiv Sena? So when they will come Shat Pratishat Bhajap? That is my question number 2. And my question number 3 is, I am glad that some of the Shinde fraction, some of the MLAs and some of the leaders shows that they have a spine, including Chief Minister. Because otherwise everybody
Why do you
is
say so?
showing as if there is no spine between them. So that is my third point. And my fourth conclusion is this, and this is my futuristic statement, that it will happen that these people will fight on symbol of BJP, because BJP, unless and until that symbol they are using, they will not give them a seats that much. So it is going to boil down to that.
All
the
right, let me just
symbol
go
will
over to
be-
Bamla sir now. I have one minute left, one question each. One to Mr. Bamla, because this is going to be on the Congress line. Mr. Bamla, you heard the Shiv Sena leaders speak. You also spoke almost on the same lines. My question is, if you look at the Maharashtra NDA alliance, it's much smaller when you compare it to the India alliance. Now, आप बोल रहे हैं कि there'll be talks and all of that and things may go out, but eventually we all will be together and we'll be bhai. India alliance is also doing that only, sir. They are also saying the same thing. Then why does it become a different pitch?
No, I what's the volume? Hello? Hello?
Asif Bamla ji, can
I'm
you hear
not
me?
able to hear.
Okay, Shiv.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, now
I
got
think
you.
my
Sorry,
team
could you-
will try
could
and
you
fix
take your
that,
statement
but
again?
I'm
Could you
being
read it?
told Dr. Raju Wagmare wants to respond.
No, it's okay. I can hear you now. I can hear you now. I can hear you. I can hear you now. Are you okay now?
Okay, one
Hello?
minute to each of you. We're totally out of time. Asif Bamla, 1 minute to you. My question to you is, okay, I'm being told to wrap, but Asif Bamla, one question, very quick. You are saying you all are together. There will be differences that will be sorted out. Everybody has to come together. BJP is a big party. There are big aspirations. These are just differences that will be sorted out. So why is it so different when India Alliance, there are so many parties to come together? Why does it become a different pitch?
No, I mean, they also must be going through the same challenges as we are going. You see, when it comes to alliances, all parties, and whenever there is a bigger brother, when there is a
That's nice
national
to know.
party, there are certain teething issues. So I wish them well too. I don't want to comment, or I don't want to argument on them, as they've been pinpointing at us. We understand and we take this in a very sporting way. Like Krishna mentioned, that Narayan Rane ji and Ramdas ji are both very senior leaders. They've worked together in the Sena together, and now one is
I'm
with us and
totally
one is
out
with
of
them.
time.
So
Mr.
ये ऐसी कोई
Wagmare,
बात ही नहीं
Dr.
है.
Raju, I'm
हमारे बीच
sorry.
में आप देखोगे,
Dr. Raju
you
Wagmare,
will see
I'm
that
sorry, I'll not
this
be able
is
to
all
come to you,
to see
as well
in
as
a
Krishna
way
Hegde ji.
in larger interest for the betterment of the people of Maharashtra.
Okay, 30 seconds. I have to give time to Dr. Raju Wagmare. Do you want to respond to what Asif Bamla said? 30 seconds. I don't have more time. I'm being told to wrap.
BJP is lying to everybody. They want everything. They want cake and eat it to the same time. They don't care about any other
All
parties.
right, we're totally out
They
of time,
care
sir.
about themselves.
Thank
and
you
their
very much,
problem.
all three of you, for joining us. It's an important meeting ahead at 7 o'clock. We wish both the sides the best. Thank you very much for joining us.